Got it. Come the other
so
side. Good. And you felt the pop, right? Mm-hmm. So this is the one I really want to do for you. Because this is the one I think.
I'm trying to get it myself and I can't.
I think this is the one that could be the game changer if it starts to feel better for you.
That would be the biggest relief after years.
Oh, you're putting too much pressure on it. So it's... Got it.
Oh my gosh.
Lie on your back. I'm going to reach under.
Oh,
wow.
Man.
Now come stand over here.
Okay.
I'm going to put my hands here and I want you to collapse your elbows down and look up just a little bit. And I'm going to lean you back and do this, okay? Good. Now lie back on your back. Come on this side of the table. I'm going to do the upper back now. Wow.
Oh.
And let it go.
Oh. I feel like I could go to sleep now. I'm so relaxed.
Good.
Oh.
Good. So come stand up. And you said it's your left ankle.
Yeah, only when I'm in like certain positions.
All right.
I feel like it gets stuck and I can't point it all the way.
All right. I think there's something in here. There it goes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, dang.
Good.
Take a deep breath in and out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. Rest to the table. We're gonna rotate you this way. Okay. Good. Okay. And yeah, a little bit on the right. So we're gonna rotate you that way. Good. Bring that leg up like that. Good. Scoot a little bit towards me. Perfect. Just like that. Good. And then we're going to be flipped to the other side. Good. Good. Perfect. Good. And let me have you stand up. Come all the way up. Bring your arms up. Bring your hands over mine. Yep. Lean back just a little bit. Squeeze your elbows together. Okay. There we go. Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. You're already relaxed. And lay back.
Oh, dang. Oh.
And breathe. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. You'll feel some release in the ankle to the knee, going up to the hip.
Okay.
Literally every football player should be in here. Deep breath in and out.
Oh, that felt so.
So you'll notice when I do it a second time, I drop down lower, I pull it just a little bit different of an angle here. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're gonna go just a little bit lower. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. Okay, let me get you to sit up. Bring the other arm up and over here for me. Good. Keep your thighs to the table. We're gonna rotate you like this. Yep, look over the shoulder for me. Good. And rotate you. There we go. Good. Taking your shoe off there. There it is. Good. Come on up. And then I'll have you stand. Yep. So I'm gonna lean you back, I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. There we go. And take a seat right here, facing that way. And out. Good. And relax right there. You can rest your hands on your stomach. Okay.
Oh my gosh. That was amazing.
Right here, and you've been adjusted before, right?
Yeah.
Good. So I'm going to hold pressure here and here. I want you to breathe in all the way out. Relax the back.
Oh.
Good. Breath in, hold your breath. Good, relax. Good. Good. There it is. She wouldn't relax for that one. Tender there.
Yeah.
See, I can find it. I'm gonna tilt your head this way and I'm gonna push right there, okay? Just keep this relaxed. Good. This side not quite as bad, but a little right there, tender. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my hand here, I'm gonna tilt you opposite and push. Perfect. Okay. Good. Okay, stay relaxed right here. Alright, so I'm going to hold that spot right here, put my hand here, and roll you this way. You stay nice and relaxed, and I'm going to pull right here. Good. Perfect. Now this side is even tighter.
Yeah.
Alright, nice and easy right here. Perfect. It's okay, let it out. Going towards the right first. So I'm going to hold you here. Keep this nice and relaxed. I'm going to push right there, okay? Good. One more, a little bit lower. Good. And now the same thing going here. Good, nice and relaxed.
Oh!
Good. Okay. So, definitely feels great.
Yeah, remember what we talked about on Monday, how bad it felt?
Alpha, yeah, and you said you used to love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. So as he said, right behind the ear, that's where the adjustment is, right there. And he was telling me how the fear he has from the last chiropractor that adjusted this area. Okay. How'd that feel this morning?
Yeah, the
Real simple. Right where the reverse of the curve goes, creating better leverage on the neck. Let's go. Good. How was that? Good. Good. Okay. Good. Nice. You could slide it a little bit more.
So we're only getting just limited range of motion to both sides.
Oh, yes. Oh, thank God.
Good.
Thank God. Turning on the power.
Turn the power on. Now, turn it that way, good. Into that way.
Yeah,
really
that's better.
good.
Yeah.
Hold the base of the skull, the occiput, so we can really get it. Take it out to tension. Take out to tension. And
Oh,
impulse.
yes.
Good.
I love that.
There you go, buddy.
Thanks so much.
You are
Would you
welcome.
mind hit my shoulders and elbows? And wrists?
Sure.
Okay, nice deep breath through your nose, Sergio. There it is, right there. You feel that from your head all the way down to your low back?
I sure did.
Oh, man. Okay, let go. There you go. Massive palmar diversified rotary brake. There you go, good.